The idea for power tie came from working closely with EPCs, electrical contractors. So we're working with them on our Cable Smart range, and one thing that kept being mentioned was cable tie failures. The problem our customers have been having with traditional cable ties is that they are not designed for the harsh conditions you'd expect to find on a solar site, particularly the UV. They've reported that they're no longer allowed to use traditional cable ties on their sites, so that is why the power tie is the perfect solution. We worked with leading EPCs and contractors to test our ideas and prototypes to ensure that we came up with the best solution. The power tie features a stainless steel wire which secures the cables long term, and by using stainless steel it means we can offer a 20-year warranty. The way the power tie installs is exactly like a traditional cable tie. No tools or special training is required. The stainless steel wire wraps around the structure that you're fastening the cables to, simply passes through the entry hole, and an inbuilt ceramic roller prevents that wire coming back out. The other key feature of the power tie is the strap that is designed to protect the cables. The strap is made from high-density polyethylene, and it has UV and fire retardant additives. If you're having problems with your direct fix solutions, visit our website and get in touch with our solar technical team, who would be happy to help assist on all your future projects.